Hello everybody, this is Judd Albring, and in this video I'm going to show you ClickFunnels landing page templates. So what I want to do is I've uploaded some templates for you guys here, but also I want to let you know, make sure you stick around to the end. I have some awesome bonuses for you, and I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited, pretty much, ClickFunnels landing page templates absolutely free. So I'm going to show you how to get access to all these for free. But what I want to do is I want to show you here, I've preloaded some templates here, and then I'm going to show you where I got these from. But this is an example of a landing page for, this is a landing page template for a webinar funnel. Actually, I'm sorry, a product launch funnel. So what's cool about this landing page is you have these pre-populated little windows up here. So each day an email is sent to the person that opts in, and they get to open up a new video, and then on the last day is when you pitch your product or your service. So you got the pre-populated video here telling them about what they're going to get, and then they can download a free book when they sign up. So all different kinds of cool things. So you're actually offering them, hey, when you do sign up for this, I'm going to give you this free right now. And when they click on the download button, then they would opt in. That's one example. Here's another really great, just straightforward, simple example. Almost looks like a WordPress page. So depending on your style, your look, your feel, what you're looking to do, really helps you give you some ideas to work with. Sign up, get started. This is a pretty straightforward one, and you can change out any of these images, any of these colors, text. This is another one here. This is for what is this here? You could pretty much, you can use them for anything you want, but some of them are set up for webinars, opt-ins, sales, depending on what you're doing. But if you like the look and the feel, it's still really the same purpose, right? They're all landing pages. It just depends on where are you taking them, right? Are you looking to give them a lead magnet? Or is it a landing page to take them to a webinar? Are you selling a product? So you can change the language and do anything you want to do with it. You can even take these templates and use them as a full-blown web page, which is crazy. Here's another pretty straightforward example. This is a great one if you're promoting your own brand, your own image. Maybe you want to give away a lead magnet. Maybe you've written a book, and you're just collecting leads off of Facebook, off of Google. A great thing to have, you could use this as a home page on a website. Let's see here. Here's another cool template here, pretty straightforward. But I love the colors because it gives me some really good ideas. These are proven templates, proven funnels from ClickFunnels. These are built by ClickFunnels designers and marketers. So I don't mess with anything. If it's on the right side, I leave it on the right side, right? If the button's here, I leave the button here. I leave everything as is. I just change the colors and the text and the stuff, and stuff like that. Like this one here, I like it how it's bright, clean, clear. The image is on the side, right? Click the button to get yours. You put in your opt-in. I believe this also has an exit pop. Well, I don't think it's going to exit pop because I already clicked on it. But right, if you've been featured, it just gives you some great ideas. This one here is a webinar landing page. So the timer would start when somebody lands on it. Save my spot, right? Click up, register your spot now, and then it would automatically start sending them a series of emails to tell them when the date of the webinar is. Really, really cool stuff. This is stuff people would pay thousands of dollars for. You don't need a web designer anymore. It's crazy. Here's another landing page funnel. This could be, again, it could be for a webinar, it could be for a product, it could be for a masterclass, a training. This is another one, free webinar landing page. It doesn't have to be a webinar. Here's one with a great little video. So just cool stuff. So let me show you guys here in my dashboard. I want to show you one more cool trick that a lot of people don't know about. And this is a place where you can get a ton. It's called the Funnel Marketplace. And this is inside of ClickFunnels. Most people don't use this. Most people just use the funnel inside the funnel builder. But here you can go and you go up here and you select low to high, and it'll show you all the free ones. So then you get all these free funnels, right? But what's cool is you can download the funnel. You don't have to use every step in the funnel. It depends on what you're doing. And you can just save the page or the image, the stuff that you want to use. And you can also pay. I mean, if you want to pay for any of these funnels, some of them are only $7. Some are good, some are bad, I'll be honest. But these are some that are built by funnel builders and they sell them online. Some are designed specifically for certain things like real estate, coaching, massage, network marketing. So these are opt-in pages and full-blown funnels designed that people maybe have been in that industry and are doing well, and they've recreated their funnel and now they sell it. All right? So really cool stuff here, guys. And you can go through and play with this. You can look at all the different thank you pages, squeeze pages, all the different landing page examples. Some are really basic, some are a little bit more involved and so forth. But you can just, with the click of a button, you can upload these into your account. So let's say I wanted this one, it's free. I could just click here and it'll upload right into my account. That's it. So what I'd like to do, guys, I'm going to put a link below. If you're new to ClickFunnels, you can sign up absolutely free for 14 days, and you can play around with all these templates. You'll have access to all these templates in the marketplace, and you'll have access to all these templates inside of your funnel. So when you're inside, let me show you guys here. So when you're inside ClickFunnels and you go to funnel, all right, and let's say you're going to build a new funnel and you want to collect emails or whatever you want to do. I'm just going to put an E. And let me show you where I got all these landing page examples here, guys. All right, so it already populates an opt-in page, and then boom, it knows what I want. If I want to select a sales page or a webinar opt-in, for here I want basic landing pages. These are landing pages that I built, and I just saved them for clients. So that's why they're on top. But scroll down, so now these are the ones that ClickFunnels has. And all I have to do is boom, select template, and it goes right into my funnel. Look at all these guys. So cool. Right? And these are pre-built, ready to go. You don't have to do any designing, right? You edit and you go. All right, so there'll be a link below, guys. You can sign up for ClickFunnels for free, get access to all these landing page templates. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and share.